Hi everyone, this is Arslan from Ars Dent Repair. Got another interesting project that I'm going to be working on. It's a 19 Toyota CHR with a dent on a rear door. The dent is about the size of a lemon, maybe a bit bigger if you look in the reflection of this light. So for this project I'm going to use a couple different tools. One is the 48-inch rod from Ultra Dent Tools. One is I believe it's a 50-inch rod from PDR Finesse with very sharp tip, and one is PDR Finesse tool double bent that was modified by Ultra Dent Tools to use the handle from Ultra Dent Tools. That's it. What makes it challenging, this repair specifically, is that this dent is on the body line and it's also on that curved area. Very difficult to do some cross-checkings, and therefore I gave me a little bit of a hard time, and you kind of expect as well to have a hard time repairing this dent. I'm not exactly sure if it's a regular mild steel or if it's a high strength steel, but it was a bit hard to push, so I'm assuming it's a high strength steel. Right now I'm using a double bend Ultra Dent Tools with soft tip, and then I switched to a PDR Finesse with a sharp tip. I think it's about 5 feet long. The most difficult part in this repair was cross-checking. Finding the right angle to check all the imperfections, that was the most challenging part in this repair. But other than that, it was relatively easy. If you are a professional dent repair technician, if you've been doing this for a long time, they're easy because it has a good access. You can access it from the window opening, you can access it from the wiring harness opening. There was no problem with the access. I didn't have to worry about that part. I did some cross-checking and I figured there's some stuff that going on right in that area, and I had to change the angle of my work. Now I rolled the window down and I slided my window guard, and I was able to slide my tool in and start working from that direction. So you probably want to do that as well if you get a dent similar to this one here. In my case, it was very necessary. Now I'm gonna do some crown work as well from that angle. I like to keep moving when I do repair work, just checking all different angles, seeing every imperfection. I never stay still in the same position. Now I'm working totally different angle, again for the purpose of a cross-checking. It was a bit far if the door was closed, so I had to open the door and kind of like go in that kind of position and to be able to push it and see what I'm doing. So here's what it looks like right now. It's still got some waves right below the body line. I like what it looks like right above the body line, so that's the area that I'm gonna be working on now. Right now I'm about to change my tip, the tip of my tool. Still doing some cross-checking. Very difficult dent. Really required me to do some extra work with the cross-checking, going back and forth with this difficult area. Those curve spots are not easy at all. These are very challenging. Yeah, I understand that it looks very small, but it's not exactly. You won't know unless you tried it. Yeah, doing some blending work here from this angle. You know, I like the way the scar looks like. Look at the handle. It's right above the. It's right next to the window. I mean, the way it's positioned is just amazing. Amazing car, and I don't know how they came up with this design, but it's just cool looking car. Some more blending work. This repair actually took me about, I would say about an hour and a half maybe. It was a bit challenging. It is the type of dent that you look at first glance and you would think it's something that is, you know, quick, and but it wasn't that quick. It wasn't that as simple as it seems like in the beginning. But hey, it doesn't matter as long as it can deliver the great results. I heard the saying, no one will remember how long it took, but they will remember how good it was or how bad it was. So in this case, I don't mind working extra time just to make sure it looks right, it looks good. I like using this rod, that really nice rod, this PDR Finesse rods. Any tools from PDR Finesse, they feel very light, but at the same time they feel like they're so hard. It is actually the type of steel they use, the stainless steel, and then the type of process they put their tools through. It's I don't know what is it called. Makes the steel harder. So this is what we got. Excellent results, and customers super happy. You can see the customer right next to the door. Yep, I like it. I love it. This is excellent. So if you guys have any comments, I would love to hear from you. All done. If you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to help you. I'll leave it in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching this video.